It's Tommy Taylor with Atzenhofer Chevrolet. I've got the Pay It Forward truck here today. That means it's Thursday and I've got $300 in my pocket, and I'm going to pay it forward to the next person that stops and give them the opportunity to pay it forward to somebody else. What made you stop today?
I saw you out here and you kind of waved to me and it looked like something that I always involved in, so.
Well, good deal. Are you familiar with our Pay It Forward program?
Yes, I am. Yeah, the $300 deal where you give it away to a good cause, yes.
You bet, exactly. So here's the money, $300.
Okay, bye.
What would you like to do with the money today?
I want to give it to Adopt-A-Pet out there on the 59 highway. They do a lot of good stuff for animals.
They sure do. They do a lot of good stuff for animals. Let's hop in the Pay It Forward truck and run out there and give it away.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Victoria is all of our homes, and we like to keep it beautiful by keeping the stray pet populations down when it can. So that's one of the basic reasons why I'm so passionate about animals. And just, you know, I hate to think of them getting put down when it's not necessary.
We try to do things here at low cost. We have programs to help people if they need assistance, so they just need to call Adopt-A-Pet, and we'll find something for them.
On behalf of Atzenhofer and New Center 25, they asked me who I wanted to give the money to, and I said I want to give it to Adopt-A-Pet because y'all do such a great job out here.
Well, thank
Take
you.
the money.
Thank you very much. The animals greatly appreciate it, so thank you for thinking about us.
Okay.
Pay it forward, Victoria.